Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and Simi Richard here. Okay, we are looking at this question. The statement says that 3-methyl-butyl-1-ene reacts with water to form major and minor products. Now, this part, you have to be very careful with it. It's back into play. There was a time when the only requirement was major product. But now it's very important that you know both the minor and the major. That change might hit you hard if you are still following the old format. So they says, state the conditions for the reaction. What are the conditions for the reaction here? The condition is dilute sulfuric acid or dilute phosphoric acid. Both acting as what? As catalyst. Okay, you have to know that for dilute sulfuric acid, it's going to be dilute. That's the formula. Or here it can be dilute Yes, those are the formulas of sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid. Yeah, so comes this question. It says, write the equation responsible for formation of major product. Okay. And also write its UPAC name. So how do you go about this? First of all, you will need to know the structure of that one. It is butene, so we have a C, a C, a C, a C. There are 4. And it's 1 butene. So on number 1, on assumption that this one is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. On number 1, we have the double bond. Okay, then if that's the case, on number 3, you have the methyl group. Okay, then what is next? To indicate all the missing bonds. This carbon atom has 2, it's missing 2. This orientation comes from grade 11, from valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. That's why they can't go up and down. Okay, this one has 3, it's missing how many? It's missing 1. Okay, this one has 1, 2, 3, it's missing how many? 1. This one has 1, it's missing how many? 3. So that is the structure we have. And what do we do with it? We are adding water. So we are adding H2O. But I want you to know that water, this is its structure. So one of its bond, this bond breaks, to give you two reacting species, to give you OH and H. But every time you have two molecules which are dissimilar, performing additional reaction, you can use a law. It's the law which gives the major product. If you don't use the law, you get minor product. What is the law? The law is Markovnikov's law. What does Markovnikov say? He says that during addition of hydrogen something, this is hydrogen and hydroxide, hydrogen goes to the carbon atom with the biggest number of hydrogen. Okay. What does that mean? What it means that our H, this H, will come here and look for which carbon atom between A and B is having more hydrogen. A has 1, B has 2. What does that mean? It means that our H will come to that carbon atom. And what does that mean? That our OH doesn't have a choice. It has to go to this one. When you use the law, what you get is the major product. So what is going to be our major product? It's going to be C. Then you have that. Then you have this. What came here is OH. So you have H here and OH up. What you have here is a C with a 3H. So there we are. This is the structure formula of the major product. We can go ahead and write its condensed structure. Okay, what do you have here? It's going to be CH3 and CH with a CH3 here. And we come here with a CH, double bond CH2 plus our water, giving you what? Here it gives you CH3 coming to CH with a branch. Then you have CH with our OH. It can come here, and that is it. Yeah, there we are. Then what is the UPAC name of this product? So to get the UPAC name, you follow our rules. OH is the functional group, not the methyl group. It's OH. And OH has the powers. It has to be given the smallest number. What does that mean? That you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4. And when that one is done, then we can say, because we are starting with our methyl, it is going to be 3 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane, 2 all. Yeah, that is that. Or those who prefer is your version which says that it's supposed to be 3 methyl, 2 butanol. Both are acceptable. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet and Simi Richard here. Yes, we are not going to get tired of reminding you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. We are simply the best. Bye-bye.